All right, so when you log into the DyeBold app, if you have the upgraded version, go ahead and click on version 10 and open product. We want to make sure the target is selected. Click on the photo to upload the picture library. And we want to go ahead and select the picker. Scroll down, zoom in, and I click on basically the select a pixel that represents the color of the carpet. I think that's pretty good. That's pretty close. Maybe there's a little more yellow there. Something like that, right? So then I go ahead and click on current. And I can see here that the carpet basically lost all its colors. So I need to be careful when selecting a color that I don't select a shaded area, because then that's gonna throw off the actual formulation. So we can see with our naked eye, if you've taken the training, that basically the carpet lost all of its color. So what I'm gonna do is actually open the current here, and I'm gonna remove all of the color. So maybe there is a tiny bit of color left, something like this. Maybe I can actually click here and adjust for that, right? But you can see that basically to restore the color, if all the color was lost, then I need to make a formula that is the same color of the target. If there's a little bit of color remaining in the faded area, then you would adjust and make sure that this current area here is reflective of the faded area. And then you can just open this, and this gives you the formula, which the solution here basically means a ratio of the blue to the red to the yellow, right? So you would then dilute that with the water according to the training. And you go ahead and test in one fiber to make sure that the color is going to restore the faded area accordingly. All right, so with this app, we can also, if let's suppose you don't have a picture, you can actually use this. So let's say I click on the target again. Let's close the current. And I can actually select from this palette color here, any color. Right, so this is pretty amazing. The carpet is basically the BR6 here that we see. That is actually pretty close. If we can see the picture that we had, I actually like this color. That is pretty close.